Vera Karmeback. I'm ARI International Sustainability Manager. ARI International is a remote site service provider. Our clients operate in remote locations, conflict zones, or places that are demanding for other reasons. We've been a signatory to the UN Global Compact since 2008, and in 2020 also registered our Kenya subsidiary to the UN Global Compact. I'm really excited and honored to be selected as one of the 2022 SDG Pioneer for Gender Equality. It's a really great recognition of our work. It motivates me to do even more, and especially thinking about our industry, which is still behind on matters of sustainability, it really encourages me to also continue to inspire others. Contributing towards a more sustainable future is really the most important job in the world. Climate change is the most urgent issue of our times, and in our line of work you're also reminded daily of the social inequalities and injustices that exist around the globe. So these are the things that motivate me to continue advocating for the Sustainable Development Goals and the 10 principles of the UN Global Compact. Our industry is globally a very male-dominated industry, and on top of that, in the areas where we work, women are generally underrepresented, both when it comes to access to formal education, but also inclusion in the labor market. And having a female CEO and a female chair at ARI International means that gender equality really has always naturally featured very high on our agenda. Private sector holds a lot of the keys to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, and for that the UN Global Compact provides us with a space where we can exchange ideas, learn from each other's failures, share our success stories, network with each other. As a sustainability professional, you face a lot of challenges. One of the main ones being having to navigate competing business priorities. Another one being facing stakeholders who still mainly care about the single bottom line of a business. What I try to do is to try to see every challenge as an opportunity to change things for the better. In 2019, we set a target to increase our female workforce to 15% by the end of 2022, up from 10% in 2019. This target sounds like a pretty simple one, from 10 to 15%, but given the environments where we work, it's required a lot of effort behind the scenes to start making progress towards it. But I think once you've set that as your background, as your backdrop, then change will start to happen. We also participated in the UN Global Compact's Target Gender Equality in 2020. It was a great platform for us to learn from peers, to share our challenges and get support on how to overcome them, and to start thinking about the next steps. Once we've achieved our 2022 target, what's next? In order to mobilize our networks and stakeholders to support the Sustainable Development Agenda, I try to keep RA sustainability communication simple and honest. I think people are very attuned to greenwashing these days. You have to be open about both your challenges, but also how you overcame them. Once you actually show this is the issue that we faced and this is how we overcame it, other people with the same problems then get some inspiration on how they can overcome their challenges as well. And we produce an annual sustainability report that we proactively share with our stakeholders. On top of that, I think it's also really important to give lots of small updates throughout the year on the important issues to both internal and external stakeholders. We have ambitious plans at RA for our sustainability strategy looking forward. I think the most important thing that we want to achieve is to inspire others in our industry to step up their game and to really raise the bar on sustainability in our industry. It's important to not be intimidated or discouraged by the overwhelming task at hand, but really to just get started. Companies who would like to participate in the 2023 round of SDG Pioneers, my advice would be to be open about your challenges and celebrate your success. Show that you're acting now, because it's high time to act on the Sustainable Development Agenda. Once any company does that, really, it can only be good for the company and for the world at large.